Hi everyone, I'm going to be replacing the fog lights on my Titan, and someone offered me these smoke fog lights for 20 bucks, so I said sure, why not. As you can see in here, there's a bit of debris in the bottom. I had some cheap LED bulbs in there at one time that melted and left that, so these are going to look a little bit better and match the truck a bit better than these OEM ones. I have been using Auxito LED bulbs in here and they've been excellent, so I'm going to reuse those. So these new housings, the previous owner had these sea light LEDs in them, which look very similar to my Auxito ones. So we're going to compare them a bit and see which ones are better. I know the Auxito ones are excellent, and I'll show you how to get the housings out and get the new ones in. So I've gone ahead and disconnected the fog light bulbs. I've removed the bulbs just to make it a little bit easier. You can probably leave them in, so that hole you see is where the bulb goes, and right here is an 8mm bolt. Move that up out of the way, you can see a bit better. Okay, that bolt broke off, but it's out, and then you've got these two little tabs that kind of push through. So I'm just going to get something to push in these. Okay, I'm just going to push on the there we go. Okay, these are what I was pushing on, and there's the bolt that broke off. That was an 8mm nut on there. You can see inside there. And here's a new one. Here's what it looks like inside the bumper. So the two prongs go into there, and then the bolt goes through there. Go there like that. Okay, it's pushed back through. I got the nut back on. And we'll tighten down the 8mm bolt. Okay, now we can reinstall our bulb. And then repeat on the other side. And there's our after shot, all done.